and welcome to this month's Kay and Burton Market Report. I'm Ibellini, and this report is brought to you by Kay and Burton and Dr. Andrew Wilson from My Housing Market. Melbourne's weekend auction market resumed on the season opener conducted on Saturday, January 29th, with more solid results from most sellers and clearance rates similar to the results reported over the final weekends of 2021. Melbourne reported a clearance rate of 68.5%, which was similar to the overall December 2021 result of 68.3%, but well below the 84.0% recorded over the same weekend last year. 250 homes were reported listed for auction on January 29th, which was predictably well below the December 2021 weekend average of 1,579 and lower than the 308 reported over the same weekend last year. Melbourne recorded a median price of $873,000 for houses sold at auction on January 29th, which was lower than December's $1.08 million and 4.3% lower than the $912,000 recorded over the same weekend last year. Melbourne reported an auction sales turnover on January 29th of $162 million. That was well ahead of the $148 million recorded over the same weekend last year. Clearance rates in Melbourne's premium inner suburban auction markets were mixed on January 29th from predictably low auction numbers. Mornington Peninsula weekend auction clearance rates remained at high levels on January 29th, although lower than over the same weekend in 2021. Median house auction prices were again higher on January 29th compared to December, but from lower listings. Dromana was the most popular weekend auction suburb on the Mornington Peninsula on January 29th with a 100% clearance rate. The Melbourne housing market has recorded a positive start to 2022 despite ongoing COVID restrictions and concerns. Buyers and sellers have typically re-entered the marketplace gradually over January, although overall activity levels remain below the boom time results recorded over January 2021. Extraordinary home prices growth through most of 2021 has acted to increase affordability barriers and predictably reduce Melbourne buyer activity. The satisfaction of the pent-up demand generated by the significant market disruptions of 2020 and 2021 through severe COVID lockdowns has also resulted in diminishing buyer activity over the year. 2022 is, however, likely to be another positive year for the Melbourne housing market, driven by a strong economy, surging migration, continuing low interest rates, and an underlying shortage of housing set to worsen. Melbourne's prestige property market is also set to continue its recent strong revival through 2022, reflecting a higher share market and still positive affordability in that sector. Thank you for watching this month's Kate and Burton Market Report. We look forward to seeing you next month.